Hi, good morning. This is Ganesh. Today we are discussing about fourth lesson, that is refraction of light at a curved surface. Last class we already discussed about what is the definition of light, refraction of light, and what is the rarer medium, and what is the denser medium, and based on the different types of that means diagrams, concave lens and a convex lens. Last class we already told that how to choose that two different type of surface. One is concave surface and another one is convex surface. So how it is that rays? It is a few of the diagrams are towards of the normal and few of the diagrams based on away from the normal. So today we are discussing about just one activity. The activity based on the refraction of light. So see here, just I have to take one glass tumbler. So the glass tumbler. So we have to keep there in a water. First what we'll do here? So we'll take one glass tumbler or glass container. So the container with filled with water, and in this water we have to keep there in a one lemon. So according to concept here the where it has a lemon inside of the water, but the lemon is how it will be appears. So that is so here activity first one is glass container with water. So water what we are taking, we have to keep there in one lemon. So after that, we have to see the direction of horizontal direction. So how it will be appears? The lemon will be appears bigger than the actual size. What is that, Nana? Bigger than it actual size. So actually, so initial the lemon is will appears actual size. There is no water. So then when we have to keep there in a lemon in the water, that's why will appears bigger than the actually size. So it is a concept of based on refraction of light. What is that, Nana? Refraction of light. So here, so is it have same medium or different medium? Different medium. So here one is hair. It is hair is the one medium, and another one is glass and water. Both are having another medium. So here hair is one medium, and glass and water both are having we are assuming one medium. So is it how many mediums are here? Two mediums. So that is rarer medium and denser medium. So when we have to see that object through the rarer medium to denser medium, that object will appears bigger than the actual size. So that is the main interest of rays. And one more thing, so very important formula, we know this, the image formation curved surface formula. So it is very important based on in competitive exams as well as in 10th examination point of view. The formula actually derivation we have, just we have to based on problems we have to take here. So that is the formula N2 by V minus N1 by U is equal N2 minus N1 by R. So what is this, Nana? It is the formula of image formation. So which surface? Curved surface of formula. So what is that? N2 by V, N1 by U, N2 minus N1 by R. So here we know that variables N1 comma N2 is the refractive index of the nature, refractive index of the medium. So N1 comma N2 means the refractive index of the medium, means two different types of mediums. And one more thing, we know V is equal to object to distance, and U is image distance, and U is nothing but object to distance. And R is equal radius of curvature. radius of curvature. In this one, r approximately r value it will be reached infinity distance. So we infinity distance we can write infinity. So r actually the r is approach how much distance, it is the infinity distance. Then we can write it will be becomes r is becomes to 0. R is become 0. Then we have to substitute in here n2 is divided by v minus n1 is divided by u is equal n2 minus n1 is divided by infinity. So infinity means we cannot be divisible by infinity of numerator value. That's why we are writing 0. This total parts will become 0. Then here n2 is divided by v minus n1 is divided by u is equal 0. This implies n2 is divided by v is equal to n1 is divided by u. So it is a formula of image distance. In the case of r value approach the infinity distance, that's why we are getting n2 by v is equal to n1 by u. So here the based on problem, the based on n2 by v minus image formation of formula, we have one problem. So one see here, the problem is from the symmetry the ray is must passes through sphere that parallel to the principal axis. Once understanding this question, all of you see here. So it is one sphere. So what is that known as sphere? It is a sphere. The ray is must passes through sphere. So how can we have parallel to the principal axis? Parallel to the means it is a parallel to the principal axis. Okay. So it is one medium. Here is one medium. It is sphere is another medium. So it is another medium. So two different mediums are here. N1 and N2. So here n1, the refractive index of hair always 1. That's why it is a hair is the one media. The value n1 is equal to 1 and n2 is equal to that is we are assuming it because of it is compared with the n1 n2 completely different medium. So n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to a. Then object distance is equal to here to the sphere is equal to x. That's why we have to take x and the u value how much distance we are assuming infinity distance. Then we can substituting here. That's why u is equal to minus x. Why we have to take the u value on concave mirror or convex mirror or concave lens or convex lens? Object distance always we are taking negative. So we know the image formation of formula, that is n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r. So their values are substituting here. N2 is equal to n is divided by v value, we know that infinity, minus n1 is equal to how much? 1. U value how much here? Minus x. So then n2 is equal to n minus n1 is equal to 1. R is equal to similarly as well as. So this cannot be determined this value n by infinity. That's why becomes 0. So here minus minus get cancelled. So finally what will write? 1 by x is equal to n minus 1 by r. The required x value, it is a reciprocal of the value. Then what will get? X is equal to x by 1 is equal to r by n minus 1. We are obtained. So finally what will get? X is equal r by n minus 1. And go through the another problem. So let's see a bird flying down vertically towards the surface of water in a pond with constant speed. There is a fish inside the water. So here, so what we have this problem? How can we express? So we know this condition is closer than the actual distance. First one is further away its actual distance, closer than its actual distance, moving faster than its actual speed, moving slower than its So above the principal axis we are taking a minus value, u value, and v value also here from the here the distance is equal to we are taking minus. So here according to we know these values, so we know the formula of n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to 0. And here what is the value? n2 is equal to n, v is equal to how much? Minus 1, and n1 is equal to 1 because of n1 is the medium of linear hair, u value minus x, so it is a 0. And what we write here? So this implies minus n by y is equal to plus 1 by x is equal to 0. Then 1 by x is equal to 1 by x is equal to n by y. So reciprocal of this value, x is equal to what we get? X is equal to, so cross multiplication, so x is equal to nx is equal to y, then x is equal to what we get? Y by n. Actually here the n value is greater than 1, n value is greater than 1, that's why the object means will appears, the word appears fish away from the actual distance. And one more thing, the fish is greater than actually speed. So we know the formula, image formation n2 by v minus n1 by u. So then we are n means n1 n2 is the refractive index values, n1 is equal to 1, n2 is equal to n. The above the value u is equal to minus x, v is equal to minus y, actual distance of bird. So here then we have to substitute. Finally what will get? X is equal to y by n. So n is nothing but n value is greater than 1. That's why the bird appears to the fish away from the actual distance. And one more thing, the fish is how it will be appears to the actual speed? It is greater than actual speed. So that's why we know these values. And another one. So here we know the image formation of formula n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to n2 minus n1 by r. Then n2 is equal to, here we know the value, n1 is equal to 1. So n2 is equal to n, and u is equal to minus r, and v is equal to v, r is equal to minus r. Then substituting this one, so it is actually the transparent glass here has small opaque dot, it has a center dot, operant position of the dot appears to be the same it actually position. So here sphere, so n1 is equal to 1 medium, that is A, 1, n2 is equal to sphere, that is glass, n, u is equal to minus r distance, v is equal to v, r is equal to minus r distance. Then we are substituting here. So what we get? So here actually you know this formula of image formula, that is n2 here, substituting these values, n2, what is the n2 value here? So n2 is equal to n, is v is equal to v, and n1 is equal to 1, u is equal to minus r, is equal to n2 means n, n1 is equal to 1, r is equal to minus r. So we have to write here, so minus, so that is the plus, so here n by v plus 1 by r is equal to n minus 1 by minus r. So here what will get these values here from these values? Here we are substituting of n value and u value and v value. So how can we write? So according to this formula here, so finally what we get? So the minus value we are taking left side will get a plus value. So here n by v plus n minus 1 by r plus 1 by r is equal to 0. Here r is common, n by v plus r is LCM, n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. What will get? So n by v plus n by r is equal to 0. So that is your update. N by v is equal to n by r is equal to 0. Thank you.